I was not born a hero. I was born a child of the soil, a son of Africa, who learned, through pain and patience, what freedom truly means. I have seen the inside of a cell. I have felt the cold of iron bars, and yet, I tell you this, no prison can contain a free mind. I did not spend 27 years in prison waiting for revenge. I spent them preparing for peace. Because freedom is not the absence of chains. It is the victory of love over fear, forgiveness over hatred, and purpose over pain. When I walked out of prison, I left behind my bitterness. For I knew that if I carried it with me, I would still be behind bars, only this time, within my own heart. So I forgave, not because they deserved it, but because my people deserved peace. Today, I speak to you, the young dreamers of the world. You were not born to follow shadows. You were born to carry the torch. Do not wait for perfect moments. Build them. Do not curse your nation's problems. Fix them, one small act of courage at a time. True leadership is not power over others. It is power over yourself. When anger calls, answer with reason. When fear whispers, answer with faith. The world will try to divide you by race, by class, by religion, but I tell you this, our shared humanity is stronger than our differences. My dream was never mine alone. It was born in the hearts of millions, men and women who believe that even in darkness, light is possible. I am no longer among you in body, but I live in every act of justice. Every time you lift another person up, every time you choose peace when anger is easier, I am there. Remember, my child, courage is not the absence of fear. It is the triumph of the spirit over it. Stand tall, speak truth, live free. For as long as freedom lives in your heart, I shall never truly die.